my name is Gita Alda Tiara. I'm from class of 3A. I will answer the question using a conditional sentence type 2. Question number 1. Imagine you were the boss of a company and you caught an employee stealing money. What would you do? Answer. If I were the boss of a company and I catch an employee stealing money, I would fire them and call the police. Question number 2. Imagine you were the boss of a bank and you found out your employee was doing drugs. What would you do? Answer. If I were the boss of a bank and I found out my employees were using drugs, I would fire the employee. Question number 3. Let's say you could put a computer chip in your brain to give you a special talent. What talent would you want? Answer. If I could put a computer chip in my brain to give me a special talent, I would want talent the ability to speak 5 languages. Question number 4. Suppose you were the coach of a school football team and you were in the finals. What would you do? Answer. If I were the coach of a school football team and I were in the finals, I would let the best player play more. Question number 5. If you were the teacher and you saw a student that you like a lot cheating, what would you do? Answer. If I were the teacher and I saw a student that I like a lot cheating, I would give them an F on the test. Question number 6. Say the teacher gave you extra points on a test by mistake. What would you do? Answer. If teacher were gave I extra points on a test by mistake, I would show the teacher. Question number 7. Say only a few people, including you. Now lots of meteors were coming towards the earth and only one part of the globe would be not hit. What would you do? Answer. If only a few people, including me, now lots of meteors were coming toward the earth and only one part of the globe would be not hit, I would pretend I really had to visit that place and went there. Question number 8. Imagine you were the employee of a company and you saw another employee stealing money. What would you do? Answer. If I were the employee of a company and I saw another employee stealing money, I would tell the boss. Question number 9. Imagine you were an employee and you had purple hair. What would you do if your boss told you to change your hair color? Answer. If I were an employee and I had purple hair, I would change my hair color if my boss told me to change my hair color. Question number 10. Let's say you were the employee of a company and you know your boss broke the law. What would you do? Answer. If I were the employee of a company and I know my boss broke the law, I would tell the police. Question number 11. Suppose you were the coach of a team and a doctor said your best player should rest for 2 weeks. What would you do? Answer. If I were the coach of a team and a doctor said my best player should rest for 2 weeks, I would let the player rest. Question number 12. Suppose you were a student taking a test and you saw another student cheating. What would you do? Answer. If I were a student taking a test and I saw another student cheating, I would tell the teacher. Question number 13. Say your friend wrote something on the wall and you got blamed for it. What would you do? Answer. If my friend wrote something on the wall and I got blamed for it, I would tell the teacher. Question number 14. Say your parents were driving and crashed a car in the car park of a shopping center. What would you do? Answer. If my parents were driving and crashed a car in the car park of a shopping center, I would call the police to write a report immediately. Thank you.